Ladies and gentlemen, there's no time to waste. America's made our choice. We have charted our course. We have made our commitments.
Buffalo, New York. Greg, Independent Line.
Yes, good morning, Peter. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Listen, can I ask you about what you're doing with these Twitters and tweets?
What do you mean?
Well, this is a call-in show, and you ask everybody to wait 30 days. You have rules with that. You started as a call-in show, but it seems to me that the folks who are Twittering are getting on almost every day the same 5, 6, maybe 10 people. Yeah. How is that fair? Either take the 30-day rule off and let it all be a free-for-all.
Yeah.
I mean, why is it fair that American Hero gets on every day with his comments? This is a call-in show.
Yeah, you know what? You're right. You're right. And the fact that we have rotating hosts out here, I don't know if who's tweeted in the last 3 or 4 days, and then I come out and I read the ones that rise up to the top for the discussions that we have. So you've got an absolute point. In fact, we're still debating on how to handle that because it isn't fair. Good point. Yep. Well, yeah, it's easier with the phones, but you're right. You've made a great point. And you are gone. Okay, thanks. Kathleen, Wickenburg, Arizona,
There's
Republican.
a tremendous failure to have a reasonable debate, a failure of our system.
Single payer on the table, which is it, and I supporters, and it's not just single payer.
Buffalo, New York. Greg on our Independent Line.
Good morning, Pedro. How are you?
Fine, thank you.
Okay, Pedro, I have a question for you, if it's okay, after I ask Julie a short question. Julie, listen, during the campaign, Barack Obama motivated the 21 to 30-year-old class of young people in our country. Yeah, Pedro.
Yes, sir.
Okay, some time ago I called in complaining about the I've been watching the show since your inception. This is a call-in show. And some time ago I called in complaining about the Twitters, American Hero. I mean, these people are getting on 2-3 times a day. I made a suggestion about just take off the 30-day rule and let's just all have at it. And has there been any? Can you tell me? Has there been any serious discussion about that? And it's just not fair. I'll take your answer off the. If you could tell me what's going on behind the scenes about that.
We know the issue. We are talking about the issue, and that's probably all I can say at the moment. We do appreciate the call, though, and the comment. You're not the first one who's made that comment as well. You should know. But we are talking about the issue. Corvallis, Montana.